I love talking about investing, not because it's exciting, but because I know what it feels like to struggle, to live month to month. And after 24 years as an investor, I've seen too many people end up with financial regret they can't undo. People I care about. This channel exists to help you avoid that. If you want to learn fast and get one-to-one support, join my private school community. It's where I help people directly, step by step. The link's in the description. Right now, inflation is destroying savings. The financial system is broken, and relying on your job or the government is a huge gamble. So if you don't invest, I'm saying you will fall behind. But if you do invest, you give yourself a real chance of building wealth. And investing is actually simple when you finally learn how it works. I learned that the hard way. At 18, I invested £500 a month, then stopped and blew all on a lad's holiday. Huge mistake. If I kept going and an average returns of 10%, I'd be sitting on 594,000 today. 450,000 from compound interest alone. That's the power no one teaches you. On this channel, I'll show you how to invest in the stock market with simple, low-cost index funds and other assets. I'll show you how to build real wealth, even if you're starting late. Subscribe, watch my latest playlist, and if you want the fastest results, I'll see you inside my school community.